Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hello everyone, Lizzie here. And welcome to a new video. So in this video I am going to tell you about what is rooting. It is going to be a fun little video, so I hope that you gonna enjoy. Make sure to give a like to this video, and hit that subscribe button as well, and also press the bell icon for all the quick notifications. Okay, so let's start. Rooting is the process of allowing users of the Android mobile operating system to attain privileged control, known as root access, over various Android subsystems. As Android is based on a modified version of the Linux kernel, rooting an Android device gives similar access to administrative, superuser, permissions as on Linux. Rooting is often performed with the goal of overcoming limitations that carriers and hardware manufacturers put on some devices. Thus, rooting gives the ability or permission to alter or replace system applications and settings, run specialized applications apps that require administrator-level permissions, or perform other operations that are otherwise inaccessible to a normal Android user. On some devices, rooting can also facilitate the complete removal and replacement of the device's operating system, usually with a more recent release of its current operating system. Root access is sometimes compared to jailbreaking devices running the Apple iOS operating system. However, these are different concepts. Jailbreaking is the bypass of several types of Apple prohibitions for the end user, including modifying the operating system enforced by a locked bootloader, installing non-officially approved, not available on the App Store applications via sideloading, and granting the user elevated administration-level privileges, rooting. Many vendors such as HTC, Sony, LG, Asus and Google explicitly provide the ability to unlock devices, and even replace the operating system entirely. Similarly, the ability to sideload applications is typically permissible on Android devices without root permissions. Thus, it is primarily the third aspect of iOS jailbreaking, giving users administrative privileges, that most directly correlates to Android rooting. Advantages of rooting are: support for themes, allowing everything to be visually changed from the color of the battery icon, to the boot animation that appears while the device is booting, and more. Full control of the kernel, which, for example, allows overclocking and underclocking the CPU and GPU. Full application control, including the ability to fully backup, restore, or batch edit applications, or to remove bloatware that comes pre-installed on some phones. Ability to install a custom firmware, also known as a custom ROM, or software, such as Xposed, Magisk, BusyBox, etc., that allows additional levels of control on a rooted device. And the disadvantages of rooting are: rooting immediately voids your phone's warranty once rooted. Don't try to bring your phone back for service or warranty work. You are on your own. Rooting involves the risk of bricking your phone. In essence, a bricked phone is no better than carrying around a brick in your pocket. The phone is dead when it has been bricked. If you don't know how to root, then watch Draego's rooting videos, link in iCards and in description. Well guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Also give us your feedback of this video in comments. Thanks for watching. And goodbye.